Hey guys, we are going to start the next lesson. So, um, this is a longer lesson. The number 1 and 2 are over vocabulary. Make sure you check those at the top. Number 3 wants you to put these numbers from least to greatest. That's easy, right? So I'm going to pause this and go ahead and do that so I can save some time. Okay, so I went ahead and did that because it was going to take a little bit of time. Now, the next one, number 4, wants you to tell what the minimum is, which just means the smallest number. Since we have at least to greatest, that's easy. The minimum will be 84. Okay? Number 5 wants you to tell the maximum, which would be on the very opposite end, which means the biggest number, 137. These questions so far have been really easy. Then it wants you to tell the median, which if you watched my videos from a few lessons ago, that means the middle. So let's go in 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So when there's 2 in the middle, you have to add them together and divide by 2. The median would be 101 because it's right in between 100 and 102. Okay? Okay, so once you find your median, the next step is to find Q1 or quartile 1. So the way you do that is you don't start with the median, but you basically find the median of the lower half. So that would be between 85 and 97. So to find the median of those two, you have to add them together and divide by 2. And I went ahead and did that, and it is 91. So Q1 is 91. Now we have to find Q3, which is the same thing but on the other end. So 100, these are the two numbers that are in the middle, so we have to add those two together and divide by 2. So what's in between 122 and 124? It's 123. So that's your Q3. So over that data that we've done so far, all of them have been for the same set of data and dealing with making a box and whisker plot. So our numbers were, the minimum was 84, Q1 was 91, median was 101, Q3 was 123, and the maximum was 137. So the next question is asking which one of those box and whisker plots matches the data. So all you have to do is make sure that there is a line like this on each of these numbers. So the first one would be at 84, the next one would be at 91, 101, 123, and the maximum would be 137, okay? It's going to make something more like this, but that is, just make sure that the lines are in line with those numbers. Okay, the next questions are not over the set of data. It just has a graph like this, and it's asking you questions about it. So, but I'm going to go ahead and use this. What would be the range of this data? You would have to take the highest number, 137, minus 84, and figure out what that is, okay? Then the next one wants to know what the median is, and that is going to be your very middle line. So in this case, it would be 101. Also, what you should know is each section, so this section from 84 to 91, that's 25% of your data. This is 25%, 25%, and 25%. So if it was asking from here to here, that would be 75% of your data, okay? And that's about all I've got for you. Basically, you need to know the minimum, the maximum, which you should know both of those, median, which you should know from the last lessons. Q1 and Q3 are basically the median or the middle of the first part and the median of the second part, okay? Once you have all of those, you can make your box and whisker plot. From the box and whisker plot, you should be able to tell what the minimum is, what the maximum is, where the median is, and so on. But that's it.